Hello guys, my name is Vladimir and I welcome you on Russian Traders channel. Me and my colleague Aleja, today we're gonna analyze, trade and earn some really huge profits, guys. That's why basically I'll ask you to make sure you leave your thumbs up before we move on straight to the trading, cause this one's really gonna be hot.
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.
So let's move on straight to the business right now. Okay, let's first set our workspace, and here, yes, it's very important to set everything before you start the work, so everything is comfortable, convenient and pretty good for you right now. So is exactly okay. What about other indicators? So our first pair, so let's set the amount and open a buy trade over here, $70. There was actually as you can see on the graph, there was a change of the trend, guys, and here the uptrend has started right now. So we rebounded from the lower boundary of the zigzag. You see, actually we reached this lower boundary on 294 and 610, something like that. You see, right, this level, this was a very strong support level, and once we reached it, we rebounded, and right now we are in a rebound. We'll see the price is going up at the moment, and basically overall option is up, which is pretty good for us right now, and we still see the price oscillating, but nevertheless the overall division is up. So basically you need to be a little bit patient, guys, a little bit patient, and let's just wait until the trade is closed. Great, we got our first trade closed, $135. Perfect. Today my bear will get something to eat. Perfect. Let's move on to the next trade. So right now over here, let's enter the amount, and we are opening a sell trade over here. I guess we actually right now observe a pattern, the inverted hammer. Okay, so this is a downward signal. The inverted hammer is a downward signal. It's pretty obvious actually, so that's why I'm always telling you guys, make sure before you go into practice, make sure you know the theory, you know the indicators, you know the patterns, strategies and stuff. So basically here a very obvious inverted hammer, downward signal. We have broken away from the zigzag line right now, and the oscillator has a margin of safety. So basically we can see the option down at the moment, and yes, the option down, and that's pretty obvious situation. So guys, while we are waiting for the trade to be closed, I want to quickly remind you, so you should need all this theory, and if you lack knowledge or you have any questions, most probably they are answered in my Telegram channel. Link is down below. You will find all the information there, and we got our trade closed, $260. Very good. So you will find all the theory there, and moreover you will find the signals for trading in my channel absolutely free, guys. So at least you should test and check it out and try out yourself. Let's move on to the next trade. Okay, we are moving on to the next trading pair. Let's set the amount to $160, and right now I'm opening a sell trade over here. Here, guys, we have pretty obvious situation right now. I will explain you. The thing is that we have very strong resistance over here, but here the resistance is not one specific level, you know. Here we have the resistance range. So we have this resistance range of between 19.88220 to 19.88260. So between these two levels, in between, we have a very strong resistance, which means that right now the price will can oscillate in between these levels, but definitely will not break out of the upper level of this range. This means that right now we will see the option going down, so the short option, and all we need is to be a little bit patient, guys. And yes, we got a trade closed for $186. Pretty good. I would like to remind you that we started with $70, and right now we almost have 500, which is really huge, guys. So make sure you leave your thumbs up if you like what's happening over here. If you have any questions about actually what I'm doing, just feel free to ask them in the comments below, and I will answer, or at least almost all of them or any of them. Okay, let's move on to the next pair. Here we have very interesting situation right now. I'm opening a sell trade with $486. Basically we expect a pullback from the zigzag line over here. We are in the overbought zone right now. We were having this, you know, very strong division up before, but right now we reached the overbought zone. This is the moment when the buyer starts to weaken and the sellers are taking the power. Basically this is the moment when the price reverses. Usually this happens in the majority of cases, so you should take into consideration that you should practice, guys. Once you start to practice, once you start to face such situations on a daily basis, you will soon understand that you are understanding the graph and the behavior of the market much better, because you already faced very big amount of different situations, and you know how to act when you are in such situations. Yes, we got the trade closed with more than 900 bucks. That's great. More than 900 bucks. How do you like it, Aleja? I see, he likes it. Such a great smile you have, bro. Let's move on to the next trade. So let us set the amount, $938, and right now I'm opening a sell trade over here. You will ask me why, I will explain. So here we have a signal to short. The oscillator has a downside range over here, and we expect a further decline over here, so there is no indicators telling us that the price can go up. Basically right now we expect a further decline, and there is a strong resistance level at 294.680. Yes, you see right this level, so this is a very strong resistance level which we definitely will not break right now, because there is no indicators or no past situations telling us that right now is the moment we can break through this line going up. So basically, yes, the option is down, and all we need to do is to be patient and to wait a little bit. Very good, we got a trade close with 1800 bucks. How do you like it, guys? How do you like it? I think it's pretty good continuations of our trading day. Let's not stop here, let's check out another one. Okay, very interesting situations. So let's yes, set the amount right now, and right now I'm opening a buy trade over here. So what actually do we have? What pair? So we got New Zealand dollar to the Canadian dollar. Interesting. Very large paranormal bearish candle over here, you see. We expect a bounce from the local oversold zone upwards right now. That's the only, the only possible continuation of what's happening over here, because this one candle was extremely paranormal, and that's what I was telling you in the previous videos, if you have been watching them, that the most important thing for the trader is to pick the right moment, and here we picked very cool moment, guys, right now, because it's quite obvious that this is not normal division, and right now the price will try to go back to what to its normal state, let's say so. And here carefully we opened an upside option, which means, yeah, trade closed more than $3,200 bucks. Very good. Well, so once that actually what happens when you pick the right moment, guys. When you pick the right moment, you got really huge profits, and what's more important, you do not panic, you do not doubt, because you know what you are doing. Let's move on to the next trade. Okay, what do we got here? Let's set the amount, 3000, and right now I'm opening a sell trade. Okay, so here guys, here the 90.8226, here you see, right, this level is local high and resistance on this chart, so this is a very strong resistance level right now, and we reached this level, so there are no indicators telling us that the buyers have enough power to break out this level, which means that the price will go down in a rebound from this level right now. And here we also picked a very cool moment, and we expect a pullback down to remove the local overbought zone, which normally happens with the high volatility markets. So once you reach the overbought zone, you need to cool down a bit. So that's basically why we opened the sell trade, and I guess this will bring us very cool profits right now. So guys, if you are thinking about the amounts I'm working with, well, you should keep in mind that all we do is only analyzing, working with indicators and facts, and we got, by the way, our trade closed with more than $5,000. Very good. So we are working with analysis, facts. We are not trying to predict the future without without analyzing and stuff. So basically that's just at the end it's just working with facts, and that's it. So yes, here let's move on to the trading itself. Here, what do we have? We have similar situation as in the last trade, actually, except that of course there is a new resistance level here, and we have it on 294.765 right now. You see, right? Another one very strong resistance level, and once we reach the resistance level, you see in the past, taking a look at the graph in the past, we don't see any indicators telling us that right now the breakout of this level is possible. Basically, that's why we will also see the rebound of the price from this level, and that's normal. Okay, we expect a move down. The overbought is too strong, and yeah, very similar situations, guys. Very similar situation. Let's just wait a bit. Yeah, trade closed, 5,790 bucks. I like working with these situations much more because once you start to taking decisions without the right analysis, or when you have any doubts about it, you already lost. Okay, you should always know what you are doing, and here right now I know what I'm doing because I opened a buy trade. Here we expect an approach to the resistance at 0.8300. You see, right, this level, this is the oscillator, has a margin of safety, so we expect the growth over here, and the overall option is up right now. Well, basically also pretty understandable and clear situation. Guys, if you want to get more knowledge about these indicators, strategies, about what's happening over here on the graph, you will find all this info in my Telegram channel. The link will be down below. Make sure you visit it, and make sure you'll subscribe, because there you'll also find the signals when and how to act with this trading stuff, and it's absolutely free. It's totally for you, and we got our trade close 1,800 bucks. Well, I guess we should finish over here because we really got really huge profits right now today. Let's stop. It's another one golden rule of a trader. You should be able to stop, and you should know when to stop. Okay, so this was Vladimir and my colleague Aleja. This was Russian Traders channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, and see you in the next videos.
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.